Hello guys, so we're gonna do unboxing today. My husband received from Amazon. That's what you ordered, right? You ordered the
coffee pot. Our coffee maker broke, and so I had to order a new one.
Yeah.
So this is the new CUISINART grind and brew coffee maker. Okay. So this way you put in the coffee beans, and it grinds the beans and then drops it into the filter, so you always have fresh ground beans and fresh coffee.
That sounds cool.
Yeah.
So can we start to open now?
Yes.
So my husband will show to you guys what's inside this box. That's CUISINART. Yay! That looks big. I like the color.
Bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap, yes. We can play with this, huh?
Yeah.
Wow! That's big. Maybe we can put in the on that place now. We can take out the plastic, yeah? Okay, let's go there and put in our... Okay, my husband is putting in our new coffee maker.
So this is the CUISINART grind and brew.
Okay.
This is the brushed metal design, so that matches like our toaster. It also matches all the rest of our appliances.
Yeah, it matches with our bread toaster.
And even our garbage.
And our garbage can. Okay.
So it's a really nice design. It looks nice and it's easy to clean.
Let's go.
So,
how much we bought with this one for this?
This was $129.
Nah, that's expensive.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for watching, guys.
We'll get everything ready and we'll show you how to make coffee.
Okay, thank you for watching, guys.
Bye-bye.
I hope you like this video. Please like this video kung nagustuhan niyo siya, and please subscribe if you haven't already. See you on our next video. Bye, guys!